bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Reverse sneezing in dogs is common and often harmless, but seek veterinary advice if it's frequent, prolonged, or accompanied by other symptoms like discharge, lethargy, or difficulty breathing. These could indicate underlying health issues like allergies, nasal mites, or respiratory infections. Prompt consultation ensures early diagnosis and treatment, maintaining your dog's health and comfort.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.